After that, go and open your folder where you have whatever thing you want to record. So I will just click on this trial folder presentation. So this presentation I am going to use for recording. So after that, go and click on slideshow. Okay, now you are ready to record. So now I will start my recording. So I am introducing here a new tool, which is Animaker tool. This Animaker tool is used to make an animated video. So what is this Animaker? This Animaker is a die of video animation software. This software is a cloud-based software, so no need to download and install. You have to just launch it, and it was launched in 2014. It allows the user to create animated video using a pre-built character and template. You are having a pre-built character and templates here.
Hello.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes,
ma'am, we are unable to see your screen, ma'am. You are only visible. Your screen is not visible.
Ma'am, from participation list, they have to select your another presentation and pin over there. They are confusing in your two screens. Just inform regarding.
Yeah, ma'am. Just click on pin button of Shubhangi Mangesh Virulkar. You can see there are two options, two participants.
Two ID of the Shubhangi madam.
Yeah.
We have to select one of them.
Huh.
1 second, ma'am.
Yes.
You have to go to this people. People may you can see 62 there. Inside that, you have below Shubhangi Mangesh Virulkar. Two these things are there. Two participants of Shubhangi ma'am is there. One is her photo and second is presentation. So just click on pin button over here.
Ma'am, I can see only one Shubhangi, ma'am.
Just go down.
Actually, another Shubhangi ma'am.
Scroll down, ma'am.
Yeah,
Scroll down.
I'm able to see, ma'am, now. I'm able to see now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Click on it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
I think-
mute your mic.
Okay
Yes,
with
yes.
everyone?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ sir बोलिए.
Ma'am, I started active presenter and subsequently camera is on. Like how to stop it?
Sir, when your active presenter has been start, it has given you a control button. Okay, so you should know shortcut button which is triggered there. Mostly by default, अगर आपने setting में कुछ change नहीं किया होगा, तो control end is a by default button. So you have to press control and end button.
Yeah, ma'am. But in my keypad, I don't have end button. Then what?
Sir, end button is everywhere. You must be knowing arrows button, navigation arrow button. So right side arrow button is the end button. Okay, on keyboard we are
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, end button is everywhere. We are not habitual to see it only.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so shall I start now?
But still,
Yes,
this camera is on, ma'am.
Camera, active presenter camera is on. Once you click on control end button, your video will get stopped. So you do one thing, don't worry, keep it on for 10 minutes. Let me finish my thing. Then when I end my thing, you come to know.
Please continue.
Okay. So
Yeah,
shall I
okay.
start now?
Yes, madam, please start.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You start.
Okay. So once you come to know about Animaker, so what you have to do, just type in a Chrome and type Animaker. Once you type Animaker, you will get a screen that is Animaker make a video on cloud. Okay, no need to install, just click on this. Once you click on this, what you will get a screen this, that is a future video for making start here. Okay, so here what, as you are a first user and using this software first time, so sign up here. Once you sign up, create your account. You have to just give your email ID and set your password here. Once you ready with this, then just click on a login. Once you click on a login, it will ask you how you want to sign in. I usually prefer to sign in with a Google. So just put your Gmail ID. Once you click, it may get saved in his database also. It will ask you. So put your email ID, put your password and log in. Once you're ready with all those things, then go inside. You will get this dashboard. This dashboard is saying that welcome to Animaker and create your video. So definitely we want to get start with it. So just click on create video. Once you click on create video, then what happen, you will ready with the templates. Okay, so these are the templates available here. So if you want to explain about a product, then click here. If you want to explain about service promotion, click here. So when you go that screen, you will get a lot of option. I am clicking on blank screen. When you want to click on this blank option, just click on use button. Once you click on a use button, if it's a new laptop and flash is not present in your laptop, then you have to do little bit setting. You have to just click on this lock option and it will ask you to make your flash on. So make your flash on, so that, as you know that whenever you want to do any animated video or graphical interface, your PC should support to a graphic card. Okay, so make it on. After that, it will this blank template will come in front of you. Okay, from this blank template you can take whatever you want. Suppose here you are having all options, so from this you can take male character, you can take female character, you can take kids character. So this is what, from this character you are getting all those character which you want to choose. So choose any character. I will show you. I have taken this two character. Okay, so this is a girl and this is a boy. After that, what I want to do, I want to write some text. So I have taken this text box and write here, hi, I am Rohan. If you want to say something about this girl, again take a text box and write here, I am Reena or Tina, whatever you want to put. Okay, done with this. So any text. Now I have taken a simple format of text. You can choose this template, like a chat we used to say how we get a comic magazine and all, like that. You can took option from this. Okay, once you explore this, then if suppose you want to put some background, so that background you are having option, click on this image. Okay, once you click on this image option, you can see that in image you are getting option which you want, like you want indoor, you want outdoor, you want children, you want school, you want factory, you want celebration. So whatever option you want, out of it you will get. So I have taken outside. So in outside, when I click on this option, you can see that earlier that boy and girl was simply present on plain background. Now they are present here. Suppose you choose this green board screen, they will present here to a green board screen. Okay, then I want that this boy is playing a sport. So when I choose on a sport, he is present in a stadium, he was at a playing ground. Okay, next I have chosen that is a party, birthday party, celebration. So that boy is present. So in this way you can create your animated video by using this Animaker. Okay, so whatever options you want to explore, lot of options you are having to explore in Animaker, and you can create a small we can say the videos for here. Okay, so keep watching. Then you can write whatever you want to write for your video. Like my channel name is Learning with Joy, so I used to write keep watching and learn with joy. Thank you very much. So after these slides, you are ready with your presentation. Okay, so what you will do after this your presentation is ready, finished. So don't press next button. Okay, stop here and press when you want to stop your active presenter. So my shortcut key is Control